Hi, I'm Frank Calhoun, and I'm a repair technician here at West Music. I repair mostly saxophones, bassoons, and all instruments in the brass family. Today we will go over the items that come in your care kit for use on your euphonium. For your euphonium care kit, you will receive a trumpet care kit, which has all the items you need to take care of your large brass instrument. The first thing that we will start out with is the valve oil, which you use on each of the pistons. The pistons of the euphonium are usually numbered 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes there will be a fourth one that you use with your pinky, or that comes on the side that you use with your opposite hand. The number 1 piston is what you play with your pointer finger, 2 with your middle, 3 with your ring finger. To oil the pistons, you lay down the instrument, you unscrew the top cap, you pull out the piston just a few inches. You don't need to pull it out all the way. Add a couple drops of oil to the piston, push that down, and there is a guide that has to fit into the casing in a specific spot. Make sure you go past that spot so you know it's in the slot, and then screw the cap down, and then work that through the piston and repeat that with the other 2. For the tuning slide grease, that is something that I recommend you use on your instrument about once a month. To use that, you pull out each of the slides, and there will be 4 of them on a 3-valve instrument. For each of the valves, as well as on the back side, a main tuning slide. On a 4-valve instrument, there is usually 5 slides. I recommend using a paper towel, just wiping off any old dirty grease that's on the slide, taking some tuning slide grease in your finger, rubbing that on each of the slide tubes, inserting that back in 1 tube at a time, and then putting that in together. Your care kit will also come with a mouthpiece brush that you can use on your mouthpiece, which I would recommend cleaning at least once a month, and just run it under some soapy water, warm soapy water, and you can use that to brush out both the cup side and the shank side of the mouthpiece. Your care kit will also come with a casing brush, which is not used the same way that you would use it on a trumpet for cleaning out the casings. I would say once a year, you can give your euphonium a bath, take out all the pistons, take out all the slides, and you can give the body and the slides a bath, and you can brush out the slides with that casing brush. The care kit will also come with a snake, which you can use to get all the way around the curves of all the valve slides, as well as the main tuning slide in the back. Your care kit will also come with a polishing cloth, which comes in handy when you get done playing your instrument. You can use that to wipe off your fingerprints and keep the lacquer and keep the instrument looking nice. You also get a nice pencil. Many band directors recommend having a pencil on hand at your stand so you can make notes. And your care kit also comes with a practice chart so you can keep track at home. Thanks for watching.